Alright everyone, so today we are going to be refinishing these seats, or at least part of it. So the part we are going to be addressing is this sort of crack fading that's going on with the seats. It's especially bad over here. What we're not going to be able to fix is these rips and tears. These seats are pretty bad, but we're just going to try to make them look a little bit better. This is a 2003 Toyota MR2 Spider, and all you're going to need to fix this is a rag like this, preferably microfiber, and some black leather shoe dye. Now if you have different colored seats, you might be able to find a different color shoe dye, but this was pretty cheap. It was at Walmart for like $3 or something like that, and it lasts a while. So let's get started. So I've chosen a pretty bad patch of the leather right here, and so this shoe polish has this little foam pad on the top, and the instructions say basically just to press down and more polish will come out. So we're gonna do that. As you can see, I got too much pretty quickly because it dripped down, so you just want to press a little bit, and these cracks are completely going away. Framing. So after I do this to the whole seat, I'm going to wipe it down with the microfiber cloth, and in the areas where it needs it again, I'll come back over it a second time. Alright, I've put the shoe polish, or what is it, leather dye, on the seats, and as you can see, it looks like I've been lazy, and I have, and that's because eventually, if you do this enough, the microfiber towel will pick up the dye. So really, you really only need to be putting the dye directly on areas that are really bad, so that it soaks in. But like areas here, you can just rub in around it, and it does pretty good. So as you can see, the seat's looking much better. Not perfect. This was the really bad area. Not perfect, but much better. On the back there was some. So again, here's before, about what it looked like, and here's after. You can still see the cracking. Alright, so for this seat, I'm just going to do a quick before shot, or pan of the seat. Yeah, they're pretty bad condition. I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so here's what they look like after. Pretty good. There was that bad spot before. Again, you can see that it has those stress cracks in it still, but it definitely looks much better. So I have a feeling, I was thinking while I was doing this is called a dye. I'm pretty sure there exist stains, and the stains probably have to be an exact color match or pretty close. So hope this tip helps. See